So next day we've woken up and we're driving to a village. It's like an hour away to see how a different tribe lives. So we're walking through the village.
We've collected a big group.
We've collected a group of people. I think they want to sell us stuff apparently, so we're collecting. Piggies everywhere.
Go and see her house, so we're just walking to go and see her house.
Still with our escort?
Pardon?
Still with our escort?
Yeah, still with our escort.
Oh. Is it similar to your house? Like,
yeah, similar.
It's the same?
Yeah.
Hi, Sammy.
Hello, Scott Patterson. We went to some villages today and now we're just having dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At a place called Le Gecko.
It was recommended by Chunk, our BFF. So yeah. This is our kind of cheers on a Sunday night. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Banana pancake.
I think you need to start that again.
Banana pancake, cappuccino, cereal, toast. We're going for a walk to go and have a look around Sapa town. We've heard mixed reviews about the cable cars.
It's like the biggest. It's like got 2 Guinness Book of World Records.
Yeah, it's the
Book of World Records.
biggest cable car in the world.
And like the highest or something.
Yeah, it goes from where we are, which is an altitude of like 1,500 foot, up to 3,000 something. But everyone's saying, we've actually, for the last 2 days, we didn't really take in how lucky we've been with the weather.
Yeah.
So right now, I'll show you in a second, it's completely clouded over, and the tourists we were talking to before we got here were like,
They didn't see
it's
anything.
cool, but
people were
you
asking
see
them,
nothing.
Is it nice and is it beautiful? And they were like, I don't know, I can't see it, maybe.
So all the footage you've just seen of us walking through the valleys and stuff like that with just clear blue skies
We were so lucky.
is like unheard of. So the cable cars are quite expensive. It's like 30 quid each to go up, and we're torn because it's like, do we do something that's a really cool experience?
But we're not going to be able to see anything. It's really
But
cloudy
we're gonna see
and
nothing.
it's quite pricey.
So for like 60 quid to just see some tops of the clouds, But then it's like
worth
to
it.
say we've done a cool cable car. So anyway, we're gonna go and just walk into Sapa and go and check out what else there is around here. There's a train that I think you've seen in the footage before this that's going along. So we might just go see what that's like instead and see if it's a bit cheaper to get some cool views.
Yeah. And also, I couldn't let Scott have all the bandana fun, so I've actually joined him now, which I think Sophie and Cherie would be really happy about.
Fuck Sophie and Cherie.
They've been really enjoying Scott's bandana of the day, and they've been like, which bandana will he be wearing in this video?
Honestly, it's kind of mainly been yellow.
Yeah,
here,
yellow is
because Sarah May turned my entire bag onto the floor, and I can't find the other one, so I just gave up.
That is true. We're not even going to deny it. Waiting to go on a train.
It's like Hogwarts.
I wish.
You ready to go to Hogwarts?
Against the cable car, because as you can see, this bit is only a tiny bit cloudy. You can see them here, but then literally you disappear into cloud, and we thought £60 to look at a cloud probably isn't worth it, but we came halfway and we can see some stuff. Not really.
So cloudy.
So cloudy, like that's a mountain, but you can't really see him, and that's a mountain.
Random market thing up here.
We're in the clouds.
We're literally in the clouds. Don't really understand.
It's really weird. It's like it wants to be a Disneyland, but it's deserted in the middle of a mountain in Vietnam.
Yeah. I don't really get it.
It's a love house. Slow poke.
Just slanting the whole thing to a side. Goodness gracious.
Me? Another swing, another teepee.
So, I'm just a bit confused by what's going on up here. Like, I don't know.
It doesn't have an identity. It's weird.
It's like, what can we put up here? Random canopy walk things, teepees, a clock tower,
Music blaring out like you're at Disney.
plant markets. Where else would you do your wedding shoot? With this in front of you? I don't know.
We're getting it now. Things are half done. So like this you can see they've planted the ivy to grow. So if you come here in 5 years' time, this will be a walkway of like leaves, and everything is like just starting to be done because it's only just been opened. Last time I gave up.
How was chess ceremony?
I got this piece and this piece and this piece. Scott stole my horses who were in love and he split them up, but they're back together now.
That's actually her queen. So.
I'm getting better. I am actually. This is actually improvement.
It's an improvement.
Yeah.
So we just finished playing chess and now we're gonna stay in the hotel tonight, get some food.
And where are we going tomorrow? Hoi An.
Hoi An.
Hoi An tomorrow.
So we need to pack.
Yeah.
All this stuff to carry.
We're off.
Yeah.
We're off
Giant bag. We're off to the airport to fly to Da Nang and then to get a car down to Hoi An. Leaving Sapa. We stopped at a service station, similar to the one we stopped at before. Got like another maybe hour and a half
It's neat.
to get to the airport. Have we seen this? Look at this. Snake wine.
Leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. We're bored.
We're bored. We're walking around waiting for our gate to open. We're going! Bang! Uh-oh. More people. Go! Oh yeah. All leg room in the world.
Because that's the tallest person in Vietnam.
Pretty much, yeah. It's a gift.